All right, welcome back. After a brief pause to read the owner's manual, I've located all the fill-up points. Now, for some reason, my kit did not come with the smoke, but luckily I have additional smoke here, so we can put that in there. It says to put about 20 drops in the front smoke. There's 3 smoke ports on here. I'll show you which ones there are. About 20 drops here. And if I can get this to drop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll put 10 in each one of the smokestacks. All right, so that one's done. Go ahead and this little shroud piece that I had before pulls out of here. That slides onto this. And held in place. All right, the center portion here contains 2 smoke, one for the blow down and one for the pop-off smoke. Pop-off smoke will come up here, I assume, and the blow down will come down along the bottom of the running gear there. It has 6 switches in here. One for if you're going to program or run the engine. One for the smokestack, for the main stack, Bluetooth, and whistle smoke, and pop-off smoke, and blow-down smoke. So we got all those on there. So we're going to have to, there's 2 little ports here and here on the top. Here and here that are covered up by the port pieces. And each of those get 20 drops. So we'll go ahead and do that too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. So I'm going to, for the purpose of this demonstration, keep the Bluetooth on, keep all the other pop-offs on, and blow down and smokes on. So we can go ahead and have a good review of that. All right. Now on the switches on the coal side, on the tender, since this has got the coal, this will go up and down as the coal gets used. There's a switch on here to turn that function on or off. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on. And that is it as far as prepping the thing set up to go. Let's go ahead and put it on the track and see what happens.